With all of this snow, major impacts to Denver's RTD. Our Angeline McCall is tracking it all. Angeline, what can you tell us?
Yeah, well, just a couple minutes ago, we heard Evan talking about the roads, but a lot of people, right, use public transit to get around. And we know that if you are one of those people that relies on public transit, specifically RTD, you'll be experiencing a lot of delays, potentially cancellations on both the train lines as well as the buses. So here's a look at all of the alerts and notices from RTD's website. As you can see, there's a lot of them. So if you are going to take a route, make sure to look it up. Make sure you know which route you're taking and if there are any changes to it. The D line is showing cancellations and delays, as is the H and E line. They're both seeing an hour delay as well. And when we talk about buses too, a lot of these buses are also struggling to get through a lot of the slush and snow. And so you can actually go on the RTD website and you can click on the specific line number, for example, the W line, or for example, like a specific bus number, and it will tell you a little bit about what's going on with each route. Lauren.
Thank you so much, Angeline. All great advice.